Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 11, Time, in board book. Now we will also solve the questions in practice exercise 11.1 on page number 58. Now today's topic are relationship between units of hour, minute and second. We know these are the major unit of time: hour, minute and second. Now relationship between 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Now in 1 hour, okay, 1 hour there are 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds in 1 hour. Okay. Now question number 1, convert the hours into minutes. First part of this question, we have here 1 and 1 by 4. This is the example of mixed fraction. 1 and 1 by 4 hours is equal blank minutes. So 1 and 1 hour, 1 and 1 by 4 hours, how many minutes? This is the question. Now first step is relationship between the units of time, hours and minutes. So in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay. Now the second step is write here 1 and 1 by 4 mixed fraction. When we convert the mixed fraction into fraction, so mixed fraction में fraction convert करेंगे. So denominator 4, I am write here 4, denominator 4, multiply the whole number. This is 1, whole number is 1. So 4 multiply 1 plus numerator, that means here 1. Okay, this is the process how to convert mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, now 4 multiply by 1, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5. So 5 upon denominator always same, that means 4. Okay, so second step is convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Denominator multiply by whole number, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 4. Okay, now third step is 5 upon 4 multiply the relationship between the units. 1 hour 60 minutes, so multiply 60. Okay, now solve the number. I write down here 5 multiply by 60. Okay, and 4 multiply by here 1. We can write 1 in any number. Okay, now 60 multiply 5, 5 को 60 से multiply किया, 5 6 जा 30. So write here 300 upon 4 1 ja 4. Now divide the number. When we divide, 4 7 ja 28, 4 5 ja 20. So 75 minutes. Answer. In 1 and 1 by 4 hours there are 75 minutes. Okay, this is the process how to solve this type of question. Now third part of this question, look carefully. First step is again relationship between the units. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. Okay, now convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, 4 multiply 5, Denominator multiply by whole number. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus 3. I am again write here 4 multiply by 5 and plus 3. Now 4 5 ja 20 upon plus 3. So 20 plus 3 upon 4. Now 23 upon 4. Multiply the relationship between the units. That means 60. Okay. Now 23 multiply by 60 and 4 multiply by 1. Okay. Solve the multiply. 6 3 ja 18. Okay. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13. And right here 1 0. Divided by 4 1 ja 4. Okay. 23 upon 4. When we multiply 23 multiply by 60, we get 1360 divided by 4. Now divide the number. When we divide 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20 minutes. 1380 divided by 4, we get 345 minutes. So write here 345 minutes. Okay. Now today we will also solve question number solve the questions in practice exercise 11.2 on page number 59. Now first part of this question, we have here 20 minutes in how many seconds? So again same process, 20 minutes and seconds. So first step is in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Okay. Now the second step is how many minutes? 20 minutes multiply by relationship 60. Okay. Now 6 2 ja 12 and how many 0? 20 seconds. Answer. First step is 1 minute 60 seconds and now 20 minutes को convert करेंगे seconds में, तो 20 multiply by 60. When we multiply 20 by 60, we get 1200 seconds. So write here 1200 seconds in 20 minutes. Now third part of this question, same process in 1 minutes and seconds. Okay. So relationship between minutes and seconds, what? In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Okay. Now convert the mixed fraction into fraction. Okay. So 15 multiply by 4 plus numerator 1. 4 multiply 15 plus 1. Now 15 4 ja 60. 60 plus 1 61 upon denominator same रहेगा 4 का 4. Okay. Now the next step is 61 upon 4 multiply by 60. Because of that relationship between the minutes and seconds 60. Okay. Now 61 multiply 60 upon 4. Okay. Now 6 1 ja 6. 6 6 ja 36. And remember 10 upon 4. Okay. 6 1 ja 6 and 6 6 ja 36. and remember 10, so write here 10 divided by 4. Now when we divide 4 9s are 36, okay, 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20 seconds answer. So write here 915 seconds. Okay, now fifth part of this question. Two and 3/4 hours in how many seconds? So right here relationship we know 1 hour and seconds. So 1 hour is equal how many seconds? 3600 seconds in 1 hour. Okay, so right here 3600 seconds. Now the second step is convert the mixed fraction into fraction. So right here 2 and 3/4. So 4 multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 upon 4 multiply by 60. Okay, now upon 1 11 multiply 60 upon 4 multiply by 1. Okay, now 11 6 are 66. 11 multiply by 6. 11 6 are 66 and remember 10, so put the 10 and upon 4 1s are 4. Now divide 660 by 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay, 2 break down 6, so 4 6 are 24. 2 4 5s are 20. Sorry, divide multiply by 3600. So 3600 right here 3600. Okay, sorry, 3600. So because of that relationship between 1 hour 3600 seconds, so 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 multiply by relationship क्या है 3600 का. In 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So 11 multiply by 3600 upon 4 multiply by 1. Okay, now sorry, 11 6 are 66. Remember 6 carry. 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 3 39 and how many 0? 20 upon 4 1s are 4. When we multiply 11 multiply by 3600 we get 39600. 11 6 are 66. 6 carry. 11 3s are 33 plus 6 39 upon 4. Now divide the number. Okay, so when we divide 4 9s are 36. Bring down 3 6. 4 9s again 36 and how many 0? 20. Okay, so in 2 and 3/4 hours में 9900 seconds in 2 and 3/4 hours में. Okay, so I hope you understood. If you have any problem regarding this topic, please contact me. Thank you.